Sandesh Kali again is in headlines amidst election. Now there was a sting operation which was tweeted by Trinamool Congress and politics have heated up since then. In that video it was shown that some BJP local leaders, Mandal Sabhapati, he is saying that everything was organized and there were fake rape complaints. To which the BJP stated at that point of time that this is absolutely doctored, this is a conspiracy, and that Mandal Sabhapati himself wrote to CBI that this is a doctored video. After that, yesterday evening, what happened that some woman, there are multiple women of Sandesh Kali who came out from one family and they are claiming that their mother-in-law and later the said victim also came out and she said and the daughter-in-law, they said that they were having problems, that they were not getting Manrega money and other cooking money, and they had this problem. But this woman is saying that the day when NCW chairperson came, that point of time there is a local leader called Piali there, she is a BJP leader, that's what she is claiming. Piali told everyone to go and give their grievances. They all went and this lady also went. This lady is claiming that she signed a white paper there and then she came back. After few days, when police sent her a notice, then she came to know that she has filed a rape complaint which she actually hasn't. That's what her claim is. And now that the sting operation has come out, now they are feeling, this lady and her family is feeling that their complaint was a fact complaint. They have come out and they did a press conference. Now this has again ignited the controversy of Sandesh Kali and whether what happened in Sandesh Kali, were those complaints right or wrong. Trinamool is up in arms with this new revelations that are coming in from Sandesh Kali. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress is saying that this is what they were saying, and after the sting operation, other women, they are also getting that courage to come up and say that all these were not right. On the other hand, BJP, who have already complained it to CPI, the Mandal Sabhapati, that said sting operation was a fake sting operation. They are saying that the movement of Sandesh Kali, of the woman movement of Sandesh Kali, was never wrong. Now the Trinamool Congress is trying to show certain things, and everything is made up by Trinamool Congress. It is their fault, it is their conspiracy to just malign the woman of Sandesh Kali. So in one side, it's everything to do with women. The ruling people, they are saying that Sandesh Kali is totally a BJP fake story. On the other hand, the BJP is saying that whatever is happening now, that is a Trinamool concocted story. Sandesh Kali will go to polls for the last phase, and really there are more to it since the political temperature of Sandesh Kali is rising high with the claims and the counter claims. But none of this, as far as the police is concerned, the Trinamool is claiming that some of the women are going. The police also is monitoring the entire situation since rape complaint is non-compoundable offence. So whether it is possible to withdraw those complaints or not, that's a very big question. So since the charge sheet has not been filed, so whether they can go and say it in front of a magistrate, whether they have done it, that has to be seen. But till now, one woman has come out and she has said that it is a fake complaint.